Hi, my name is Kim Barnes. I'm Vice President of Planning and Development for Lourdes Health System. I'm going to give you some updates on news happening around the health system. First of all, I wanted to make sure that everybody saw the front page of the New York Times, in which Our Lady of Lourdes Medical Center was prominently featured about the great care that we provide for heart attack patients, particularly how quickly we get them in for care. It was really a tremendous accomplishment, and the exposure for Lourdes is unbelievable. There's 2.5 million readers of the print version of this newspaper and 54 million subscribers of the online version of the paper. This is a tribute to the great work of the cardiovascular team and the team in the emergency department, and I'd particularly like to thank Dr. Montplaisir, who was prominently featured in the article. We're also experiencing a lot of growth in our physician practices. Our Lourdes Cardiology Services site in the East Building at LMCBC experienced 32% growth in visits from the first 6 months of this year compared to the first 6 months of last year. So we're very pleased about the growth in the Burlington market there. Also wanted to tell you about other developments within cardiology. Cardiac surgery in this past fiscal year grew by 11%. And over the past 5 years, we've almost doubled our volume in cardiac surgery. It grew by 92% in 5 years. We've also seen a lot of growth at our outpatient sites, our Lourdes Care Centers. So if you don't know, our Lourdes Care New Hanover site opened in August of last year. Since then, we've had 11,000 visits at that site, and it continues to grow each month. In addition, our urgent care services that opened at Lourdes Care in Cherry Hill in August as well has seen growth each month in the number of patients served as well. Both those sites are a tremendous resource to the community and are providing care close to home. Also want to give you a little update on our ACO, our Accountable Care Organization. If you don't know about that, that's about 120 physicians that work in conjunction with Lourdes and are incentivized through payment methods with payers to actually reduce costs and increase quality. I'm pleased to announce that in 2014 we received our first shared savings payout. And what that means is that we achieved certain quality measures as well as a 6% reduction in costs of the population that we serve for the Horizon patient base that we serve. As a result, we got paid back money from the insurer and were able to distribute that to the physician practices. That was a lot of work from the physician practices and the ACO team. Our kidney transplant program is growing. In this past fiscal year, the number of transplants we did at the hospital in Camden increased by 38%, which is a huge jump. You may have also last week seen the Courier Post article where 2 young women from Oak Lynn were profiled. This is a young woman who had a kidney transplant at Lourdes and her sister, the donor, and it was really a heartwarming story about 2 of our local residents cared for at Lourdes. On the orthopedics front, Dr. McMillan continues to be out in the community and very busy. On June 2nd, he appeared on the WIP Morning Show with Angelo Cataldi. He was talking about injuries of Philadelphia athletes, and he was, the on-site special expert for the day. Some other achievements that I wanted to tell you about. We had an associate fundraising campaign recently, and it's the first time we did that in a number of years. We were thrilled that we raised over $63,000 in the campaign. We had a tremendous steering committee made up of associates from throughout the health system. They were very enthusiastic and did a great job shepherding that campaign, and we're really thankful for their work. Another thing that was fun in June is that a group of folks from Lourdes participated as a team in the American Cancer Society bike ride. This is a ride that started at the Ben Franklin Bridge and went to Atlantic City Medical Center, 66 miles in total. This group meets on a regular basis at Lourdes Care in Cherry Hill on Sunday mornings and does about a 20-mile ride. So if you'd like to join the group, you should contact Dr. Al Sacchetti or myself. Yes, this old lady can ride that far, so you can too. Another great accomplishment in June is that the Lourdes Health System food and nutrition staff participated in the Taste of South Jersey, which is an event that's sponsored by the Camden County Chamber of Commerce. They actually won the top honor at the event, which is the Taster's Choice Award. Lourdes is the only participant in the event that is not a restaurant that competes in this, so it's really an incredible honor. And I just would like to thank Tony DiCarlo and their team for their tremendous work. Coming soon, town halls will be starting in the end of July and going throughout the summer. Usually you come to us, this time we're coming to you. So we'll be coming to your department meetings, different members of Management Council team will be presenting, and so we look forward to seeing you later on this month. So we have a lot to celebrate for Lourdes. And so later in August, we're going to be having a Spirit Day for Lourdes Health System and really celebrating a lot of these accomplishments that I just went over. There'll be more to come in September. We have the Pope visit. We have the 65th anniversary of Our Lady of Lourdes. So lots more celebrations in store and more news to come about that in the future. I hope everybody is having a wonderful summer, and I just want to thank you for all that you do for Lourdes Health System, our patients, and the South Jersey community. Thank you.